In this video, I want to show you how to drag a clip from a particular position. So let's suppose I want to move this clip between these two clips. The first thing is I click the clip and hold down the Ctrl key and drag the clip to the position between the two clips that I want the clip to be. So as you can see, there will be two lines. There will be lines with pointers there showing where the clip is going to be. So if I release, that clip has been moved from this space to the space after this. So you can see the space is now empty. Why is it empty? It's because I've dragged the clip to where it was. So this is not like duplicating, this is like moving a clip. So the space that it was remains empty.